Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a morph text effect in CapCut PC. So I'll just type in like 1, 2, 3. You can type in something else if you'd like to, but I'm just gonna go with this, and I'm just going to make them around like 1 second each. 2. Whoops. Sorry. 3, 4, 5. You can obviously type in whatever you want, but this is all I have time for. Select everything, right click, create compound clip. Go to video and select motion blur, and you're going to blur it here. Whoops. Maybe like around 75, and you're also going to blend it at that rate. And just leave the rest like this. It is that simple. You can adjust it how you like it, but yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.